Folks, today we're going to talk about major hotel stocks that have some staying power. Hotel stocks, staying power. Folks, it's been a little over a year since COVID pandemic started and several sectors took a major hit. Airline stocks, cruise ship stocks, most companies related to the travel sector were ditched in favor of stay-at-home stocks. But things have changed. Vaccines are rolling out, and according to hotel occupancy levels, hotels are now roughly half full, which compares to only about 20% occupancy rate during the heart of the pandemic. Now, while we may see substantial bumps in the road over the next several months, especially when it comes to international travel, most Americans are looking forward to getting out this summer. The stimulus checks are coming, and there's going to be some degree of discretionary spending, especially if jobless data begins to heat up. But as we all know, the markets look far into the future, and the future doesn't include COVID in our daily lives. And that's why right now may be a good time to start looking at some of the highest momentum plays in hotel stocks. And that's our topic for today. First stock, Choice Hotels International, CHH ticker symbol. Now, this is one of the largest hotel franchises in the world, with hotels, inns, all-suite hotels, resorts open and under development in countries across the globe under the brands of Comfort, Quality, Clarion, Sleep Inn, Roadway, Econo Lodge, Mainstay. Choice Hotels has one advantage over many competitors. Its focus is on drivable locations in the U.S., with 4,000 of its hotels located within 1 mile of the interstate highway exit. That's huge right now. A lot of Americans are thinking of driving this summer and getting out. Now, lower tier offerings like Econo Lodge and Quality Inn, Choice Hotels may also have advantage if consumers choose to travel but need to cut costs. And remember, economy is moving hotter, but the first people to get money, we're looking at minimum hourly payment checks being raised. So it looks like there's going to be some bump for people on the lower side of the economic pole. 1-year return for the stock is 109%. Fundamentals haven't caught up yet, but sentiment is changing, and that typically occurs before the company gets back to profitability. Now, I'm expecting more upside based on the trend to get back to normality, but I don't suggest you load up the boat on this stock since fundamentals may take another year to catch up. The stock has potential to move up substantially, but we've got to be cautious to the vulnerability over the near term as the result of unforeseeable spikes in COVID or another variant attacking us in the near term. Now, the risk of this is quite low, and the odds are strong that the world will in fact go back to normality, and that bodes well for CHH at this time. I'm seeing a price target of $122 per share over the next 10 weeks, especially if sentiment towards normality and vaccine distribution continues on its current path. Summer is a hot time for hotel stocks, and I'm expecting pent-up demand from the last several months to begin exhibiting in the share price of hospitality stocks in the months ahead. Next stock, Marriott, ticker symbol MAR. Now, this is the world's largest hotel company. Marriott operates franchise hotels and licenses vacation ownership resorts. The company's many brands include Bulgari, Ritz-Carlton. Oh yeah, it's like that. 1-year return, 140%. Now, Marriott Hotel stock has been a strong performer in 2021. So far this year, it's up over 14% since the pandemic was officially declared, which is a strong indication that technically price action is already to move higher. Once again, the last 2 quarters, the stock has had positive earnings surprises and has a price target of $165 per share over the next 10 weeks, assuming we don't have any negative news about COVID flaring up again and the economy continues to hum as we head into the summer, when the cyclical period for hospitality is at its highest. And I hope that helps. Have you heard of a brand new market loophole? It's giving everyday traders the opportunity to grab payouts on thousands of stocks every single week. In fact, Wall Street legend Chuck Hughes, he's already used this formula to signal winner after winner. 96.3% of the time, even when he was wrong about the direction the market was headed. Now, this could be the best trading strategy you'll ever encounter in your lifetime. So, If you haven't done so already, click on the link below to get access to it now. Do it right now. And make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you're watching on YouTube. Stay ahead of the market by being the first to be notified when we post our next video.